Good morning, students. Uh, Today we are having a short class regarding nutraceuticals. Anyhow, you might have come across exams and you might have done many questions also, but still it is necessary for you to have some audio classes which is necessary for you to know about nutraceuticals. So when I want to say today's class, we are going to discuss only about what is nutraceuticals, what are nutraceuticals, and what is a part or how India and in the world how nutraceuticals have an important role, even it having important role in the economic value, and also how it has been developed, and some classification, how we can classify these nutraceuticals. That is what we are going to discuss, and about its benefits and all we'll go to the coming one classes. So I don't want to make it more wider, but at least listen something because it is completely theoretical. So you need some knowledge and some what we can say, some hearing is needed to express your writing in your exam. So nutraceuticals, the term nutraceuticals was coined from nutrition and pharmaceuticals in 1989 by Dr. Stephen D. Felsey. So in USA, Dr. Stephen, he is the person who has coined this name by uniting nutrition and pharmaceuticals. Nutraceuticals are defined under class 22 of, it's a class actually, okay, of Food Safety and Standard Act 2006. So FSSA, that is 2006, that law, it is defined nutraceuticals. Nutraceuticals are group of products that are more than a food but less than or less the pharmaceuticals, you can say, because it's not ailments, not directly it can be treated by nutraceuticals, or any disease cannot be cured directly as a therapeutic effect. Directly it cannot. It is an supportive, like that you might have studied in chemistry many type of catalyst and many type of oxochromes which are chemistry or in even many other subjects, in biological subjects also we might have studied some object or some subject which support the main object for their production, then we are telling that they are supporting. So like that, it is a supportive matter, and also it is necessary. Most of the time we are getting more results by means of taking the nutraceuticals along with our normal food style. This is what a main thing we have to praise Dr. Stephen. In 1989 he gave the name nutraceuticals. So nutraceuticals is a substance which may be regarded as a food. As I told, it can be regarded as a food or part of a food which provides health benefits, to reduce the risk of chronic diseases and basic nutrition risk of, due to basic nutrition deficiency. We all have chronic diseases can reduce the basic nutrition requirements in our body. So these nutraceuticals, there is lot of nutraceuticals. Specifically a great threat or like cardiac disease, urinary tract disease, and kidney disease or liver diseases, and many chronic diseases are can be overcome and also can be prevented by means of taking nutraceuticals along with food regularly as a supplement. So that's what it's a very good identification, very good research, and widespread of this sector have given a very good economic growth, and it has given a good market for this pharmaceutical industry, and also it has given many openings for our pharmacists. For example of nutraceuticals are natural food, antioxidants. When we talk about antioxidants, you should know that they are very, very important. You can see there is this deficiency of this one. We are finding out lot of patients with cancer, different kinds of cancer. When it come, where it come, why, how it's coming, it's not able to identify. So this antioxidant supply is very, very great, important, have a great role by nutraceuticals in cancer patients, in cancer ailment, cancer which is we can prevent cancer, we can even treat cancer, we can even we are saving the people by means of this nutraceuticals in various critical ailments. So dietary supplements, fortified dairy products, citrus fruits, vitamins, minerals, herbals, milk, and cereals. So these are biologically active which possess health benefits. These may be used as dietary supplements or as a functional food. These products play a major role in human health and long life. These products are generally consumed without a medical prescription and supervision. So it's an OTC drug which can be a drug or a product, pharmaceutical product which can be dispensed over the counter without a prescription. A pharmacist can issue that. Market and growth. This is just a theory. So you have to listen and you have to just at least because it's not having time for you to read or to study. Sometimes they may ask what is the economical impact of the nutraceuticals in India or in the world, like that they may ask some questions. So you have to be able to write. You cannot expect the same question. So it can be, if you want to write something general answer also, you need some points. You need something to write. So that's why I'm just giving some time, 2-3 slides which is given for you for this purpose. Please have some patience to listen to some points which we are lecturing. Despite the foreign origin to the word nutraceuticals by Dr. Stephen, who have given what it entails in indigenous to India. India has had a rich heritage of herbal medicines. I think you know herbal medicine, rich. Even in Kerala, we are having rich herbal medicine. Rich medical herbal medicines, and we use it, we are depending it, we know that how the nature is supporting us, and we respect. And the supplements which have found resonance in our mythology and folklore. See, mythology means some religious or belonging to particular culture, that means collection of myths. That's why mythology, collection of myths, especially on belonging to a particular religious or cultural tradition, that is called mythology. So mythology and belief, you can see folklore, that means, for example, that means folklore is, for example, flock there is some in Africa, they used to say even flock medicines like that. The traditional medicine they are calling like that when they are treating certain area. So folklore, you can say that. What do you mean by that? It is traditional belief, and it has lot of impact in treating ailments, a critical ailment. Sometimes we are unable to, we are just believing only God to save us. We know that everything is, man is identifying and he has invented many things, but finally we know that God can only heal us. So in that belief, lot of beliefs are there, stories of community and pass through the generation of the word of the mouth, that is called folklore. And so this is the main background, the heritage in India. We have a very rich heritage of herbal medicine. So the nutraceutical market in India is expected to grow from $4 billion in 2017 to 2018, 2017 to, and for 17 for it to 18, not 18, in with from 17 to 25, when it come 18 billion. Now itself it is growing. So it's a backdrop of rising demand for dietary supplements from upper to middle class. So this is what just a small strategy, that means what is a 4 billion in 2017, now it can be rise up to 18 billion of this market, can give rise for this economic value, can also be increased. The nutraceutical market in India can be further divided into functional food, beverages and dietary supplements. While functional group includes items such as breakfast cereals and fortified flour, functional beverages include commodities like sports drinks and fortified juices and glucose. This all comes under nutraceuticals. Dietary supplements, which constitute over 65% of Indian nutraceutical market, includes commodities such as macronutrients, herbal and non-herbal extracts. It is this segment, that means in this segment, that draws major competition and is the home ground to firms like Amway, Himalaya, Dabur, Imami. There are many other companies are there. They have started this herbal medicine drugs and herbal nutraceuticals, supply directly to the home and supply directly. They have the competition of doing this in home ground. They have many firms are there apart from that. And this segment is growing at a rate of 17% in India. We are talking about in India. And hence we drive the growth of the market. The strength of Indian nutraceuticals market also emanate means emerging, coming inside, getting inside, emerging or spread out in the market. That's what emanates from certain supply drivers which place it among the strongest market in the world. India is the world's second largest producer of fruits and vegetables, largest producer of milk, and as of 2016 was the third largest market for active pharmaceutical ingredients. This is a special point, that's what we want to say. And next point, a significant increase in internet penetration has helped increase the availability and visibility of nutraceuticals in the market, due to which by 2020 nearly 40% of the total spent on FMCG in India, that is fast moving consumer goods, will be influenced by digital media, a market opportunity of over 45 billion US dollar. So as nutraceuticals offer opportunities for pharmaceuticals company to make their products more consumer oriented, and for food producers to create brands with a medical image, this convergence of medicine, food and technology is further likely to provide impetus, that means strength and support. That means this type of pharmaceutical or medicinal cover, or a cover, that is convergence of the medicinal effect in the nutraceuticals, that emerge, that give the support to the nutraceuticals, the food processing industry and retail sector in India, which are slated to rise to over 956 US dollar billion 956 billion US dollar by 2025, and even you can see 1.7 trillion US dollar may be expected in 2026 respectively. This is what we are expecting. This nutraceuticals, now people started believing in natural foods. People started believing, they don't want the synthetic drugs, they don't want to take medicine, they don't want to take tablets, capsules or injections. They want to make, that is the very important. Even see in this COVID-19, what is the main advice of the pharmacist to any of the people of this society? We will give you, increase your immunity. You can see now the second wave and third wave, they have come, different varieties of COVID-19 virus have changed its strain, and you see there is no symptoms, there is no temperature rise. It directly affects various parts of your body, and it gives more damage to the parts of our body, and it gives more death rates also. So it's dangerous. So only thing is, what we can do, we can improve our immune. We can increase our immune by means of using nutraceuticals, by means of taking some herbals which can increase your immune power. Immune power cannot be increased by means of synthetic drugs which we cannot add by giving any antibodies or antibiotics. We have to improve our immune system. We have to increase. So that's what very, very important. This is not talking about any business. This is a sincere advice. A pharmacist can can be given to their family members and as well as society. You can give. Nutraceuticals are the only choice for anyone regularly consuming and improve your immune. Scope of nutraceuticals. Nutraceuticals can provide substantial health benefits, especially in the prevention. Prevention is better than cure or treat even of acute and chronic human diseases. So better to prevent acute and chronic diseases which we have seen in human being can be prevented by means of nutraceuticals. That is the main scope. The main scope of nutraceuticals. What is the main scope of the nutraceuticals? What is the main strength of the nutraceuticals? Nutraceuticals can provide substantial health benefits, especially in the prevention. That is what we have to, in the prevention of any acute or chronic human diseases. Even it can be used for treatment, but the prevention is the main thing which we want to emphasize. But its development depends upon its quality, safety, long-term adverse effects and toxicity, as well as supplementation studies and clinical trials in humans. That is very important. Now we have done many things. Market itself, we have done everything. We have studied what is its toxicity, what is its complication, what is its effect in human being. So why we cannot advise the patients, advise the community to use nutraceuticals to improve your immune power in this COVID situation? Attempts are made to avoid genetic disorder using nutraceuticals in form of enzymes, probiotics and fortified food. So when we talk about probiotics and fortified food, it is necessary for the students should know, simply reading, or you can, if you know that what is the, you may be knowing 100% sure, but still I have made it's clear for the definition I have added. May not be there in your handout which you got in you previously, you have taken the printout, but still if possible you can refer and you can find out, or you can write down also from this lecture. So probiotics are living microorganisms that are intended to have health benefits when consumed or applied to the body. Okay? So what is that? They are living microorganisms, probiotic living microorganisms that are intended to have health benefits when consumed or applied to the body, maybe external or internal. That's what we are meaning it. And you see, what I mean by fortified foods are those that have nutritions added to them that does not naturally occur in the food. These foods are meant to improve nutrition and add health benefits. That is the difference. And commercial nutraceuticals have to pass through strict regulatory controls to provide a positive impact on an individual's health. That is very important. Even WHO also insists this for various, all the herbal medicines. This is nutraceuticals also very, very important to follow that. And scope of pharmaceuticals, just nutraceuticals, just I made a picture to show you. There are many, but still nutraceuticals, they can give, even oxidative stress can be applied by nutraceuticals. Cardiovascular diseases can be treated with nutraceuticals, and arthritis mainly they can use nutraceuticals. Allergic conditions can be used treated with nutraceuticals, and GIT disorders, anti-diabetics and inflammations, cancer, mainly it can be treated by nutraceuticals continuously taking. So there are many scope of for nutraceuticals apart from the market and advantage for the job opportunity. There are application of the treatments, applications of various ailments, how they are having very amazing applications, and the scope is the important to know about these nutraceuticals. So when you come to the type of nutraceutical products available in the market, today nutraceutical in market consists of both traditional food and non-traditional food. Why I am saying is, when you listen, you have to study like that. Today nutraceuticals in market consist of both traditional food and non-traditional food. So traditional food consists of natural whole food with new information about their potential health qualities, no change to actual foods. Example, lycopene in tomatoes, omega-3 fatty acids in salmon fish. You can see I have shown that in tomatoes, simple tomato, lycopene is one of the very important constituent which is present in tomatoes. Omega-3 fatty acids also present. So this is what very important activities in our very important therapeutic and pharmaceutical activities are there. Pharmacological activity. So non-traditional food means resulting from agriculture, breeding or added nutritions and ingredients that it to boost their nutritional value. Example, beta carotene enriched rice and soya beans, cereals added with vitamins and minerals, orange juice fortified with calcium, cereals which are added with vitamins and minerals. Like that, there are many foods are there, many juices are available, marketed. So non-traditional food which are also available. Directly traditional is there and non-traditional food is there. Like that you can classify. And dietary supplements, FDA, Food Drug Administration, regulates both finished dietary supplement products and dietary ingredients. Example, yogurts you can say. Probiotics, for probiotics we are telling about probiotics, living microorganism for intestinal health. See that example. You can write food, cereal, snacks enriched with soluble fiber, vitamins and minerals. Non-traditional as an example. And you can see omega-3 milk in prevention of heart disease, canola oil with lower triglycerides from cholesterol reduction. See how much it can be used. Oil, canola oil. Oats, bran, psyllium and lignins of this present, which is present in bran, oats. That's what we are meaning. Lignins which are present in oats, bran, psyllium. For heart disease and colon cancer. Stenols in reduction of, that means reduction, that is, it's not shown, that is what I was just hiding, in reduction of cholesterol absorption. Benicol is the company's name actually. Benicol is one of the product name. And omega-3 fatty acid concentration in the milk. Omega-3 fatty acids have been linked with many health benefits for consumers, such as reducing the incidence of cardiovascular disease and improved neurological function. Neurological function is one of the main cause. Some of the diabetic patients, they will be having neurological problems will be there. That may cause various numbness, various difficulties. So this can also be treated. by various examples by dietary supplements. You see, I have given some examples also, just a picture. Oats, we know that oats, canola oil can be used. And you see this, there is a psyllium, or you can say pea silent. Psyllium is one of the small thing which can be used even in Kerala, and in my places also you can see some juices they used to use sabja or something, they used to say it will be very good. And you can see bran is also one of the, there is even, you can see that is there are many Kellogg's products are also available, brands, and we have cornflakes, we have even flakes also available. This is like rice, not our red rice, little it will be lengthy, it is good for even it has many names. Only previously kings used to eat this type of rices. It's available in our market, and even Ayurveda, they are advising for the diabetic patients to take this rice, and they have seen that it has capacity to reduce, it has capacity to initiate the activity of the pancreas and to reduce glucose level, blood glucose level especially. And you see food high in that means fructilo, or you can say fructo saccharides, that means oligo, that means fructo oligosaccharides, FOS, that means fructo oligo means you may be seeing olive oil or fatty acids, fructo oligosaccharides. So oligosaccharides present, you can see it is present in Jerusalem, artichokes, and you can see even in red onions, shallots and red onions, acidophilus yogurt, diet soda, and bananas, and nutrition bars. This all contains this fructo oligosaccharides. And as I told, it is told Benicol is one of the company's name. The plant stenol, which is Benicol, is supplied by this plant stenol. What do you mean by this stenol? Are natural, found in small amount in plant food, such as whole grains like nuts, seeds, fruit, vegetables, beans, stencils, and vegetable oil. They contain this stenol, and they are also added to some food in large amounts, such as yogurt drinks, yogurt spreads, and this season they have gained so much interest in recent years is thanks to their ability to help people control their cholesterol by means of this. So we talk more about plant stenols at Benicol. Why? Because it's a company, Benicol, they have produced Benicol products contain added plant stenol, STANOL, stenols. They are designed to taste delicious but also help people lower their cholesterol as part of balanced health diet. So just remember the stenol and remember the things whichever we have seen, so that you can write the dietary supplements, you can write the examples of nutraceuticals. When you are thinking about these slides, it will helpful for you to remember some points. Understand, one or twice if you see the pictures, you can remember, you can mention these type of things, it will helpful. So medicinal foods, health bars with added medications is also available, transgenic cows and lactoferrin for immune enhancement, transgenic plants for oral vaccination against indigenous diseases. This is also can be produced. Now classification of nutraceuticals can also be classified into two by means of saying there's potential nutraceuticals and stabilized nutraceuticals. Regarded the nutraceuticals, they can be considered in these two ways. That is potential nutraceuticals and stabilized nutraceuticals. So classification of nutraceuticals based upon the therapeutic, that means what is the therapeutic implication for treatment of prevention of specific condition, like you can see prostrate support, prostate gland enlargement, prostate support in men usually having problem in prostate gland, that is tomato lycopenes. We talked about this lycopenes present in the tomato, and omega fatty acids. We have told about this omega fatty acids also. We have talked about and also tomato lycopenes. And so that's what we have to remember, understand. Can you follow? So you can see prostate support can be given by tomato lycopenes, immunomodulators can be given by means of ginseng. Female hormonal support can also be done by black. That means Cohosh, not N. C-O-N is wrong, mistake. Just see that, not C-O-N, C-O-H-O-S-H. Cohosh, false unicorn. Cohosh and false unicorn, you remember, it is female hormone, estrogen, and a natural estrogen supply can be given. It is having a more use for, you can see nowadays females having lot of problems like PCOD, lot of health issues like in disorder in their menstrual cycle, and these all disorders commonly we can see in the females by means of our junk food and various food style. So this can be treated by means of this nutraceuticals. Female hormonal support can be given by black Cohosh, C-O-H-O-S-H, not N-O-S-H, C-O-H-O-S-H, false unicorn. Diabetic support can be done by garlic and momordica. That is even moringa. There are many other plants are there. Digestive support, digestive enzymes, cholesterol lowering garlic, that is cardiac disease garlic, and cancer preventing flake seeds and green tea. Arthritis support, glucosamine, and allergic relief, ginkgo biloba. So you see, some of the students when they are writing the exam, they know garlic is having more application. Yes, it's true. So you should not write simply garlic can be used for cardiac glycoside, it can be used for cancer, it can be used for digestive, it can be used for diabetic, like that. If you write, there is no, but you have to mention other plants also. There are many varieties, and also garlic, if you mention, you have to see, tell about garlic constituents, what is its therapeutic effect, all this, the details you have to write. Simply garlic, anyone can say. That's very, very important for you to know about that. And you see, these two examples I have taken because I have just given importance for this female hormone which is naturally available, which can be used for various treatment of even menopausal symptoms can also be treated, and menstrual problems can be solved by means of these plants. What all they? That is black Cohosh. That means they have given a spelling mistake in the last slide. That is Cohosh, C-O-N-O-S-H, but it is C-O-H-O-S-H. Black Cohosh is a flowering plant that is native to North America. Its scientific name is Actaea rosimosa and Cumicifuga rosimosa, and it's sometimes called black bagbane, black snake root, baneberry, or fairy candle. The popular women's health supplement Remy Femin contains black Cohosh, a supplement which is called as Remy Femin. Remy Femin is a trade name, Remy Femin, which is very commonly available. Which is the main constituents in Remy Femin. You can just see that what is Remy Femin in your internet and what is its uses, and it can be helpful for our students, and as well as you can advise to your friends and relatives and patients also. Why not to the society? Remy Femin. What is its the main constituents? Black Cohosh. What is black Cohosh? I have seen the picture. You have to take it down. This is not in the handout notes which I have given. This is specifically I am mentioning because students just improve your knowledge by knowing about various herbs which are in the market and what is its benefit and what is nutraceuticals, how it is benefited to everyone. So that's what my aim by means of this subject. So black Cohosh as a active ingredient present in Remy Fermin. So Remy Fermin, you just see that it's a marketed product. So black Cohosh root also seems to have some effect similar to female hormone estrogen. See that root, see the plant and the root which I have shown there. And you see what do you mean by this false unicorn? Is a herb, understem, this is an understem. Sorry, that is the black Cohosh which I have shown there in the top, and this is false unicorn rhizome, which is the picture which is below to me. That is false unicorn in a herb, and it is an understem rhizome. The botanical name is Camellium luteum, family Melanthaceae, Melanthiaceae, you can say Melan, you can say Melanthaceae. So you can see the understem rhizome, the rhizome or the root are used to make medicine, and women use false unicorn in the treatment of ovarian cyst. Just see, ovarian cyst is very common nowadays in females. Menstrual problems, very common. You can see some, they have irregular menstruation, and some of them have PCOD, and they are having even their body weight and everything will be changed due to this menstrual problem, and sometimes they will become HP-less due to more access of bleeding in the time of, that is 2-3 days, or it maybe leads to 5, 6, 7 days sometimes. So these type of problems can be solved by means of herbal nutraceuticals, herbal medicines. So if you know, it may be available in your house, it may be available in your garden. It can be even, you can see, you can use it. So menopausal symptoms sometimes, aged after 45, vomiting from pregnancy and infertility, this can be treated by means of this false unicorn. Some women take it to normalize hormone after discontinuing birth control pills. Sometimes if you are taking sometimes birth control or contraceptives, oral contraceptives, somebody who is consumed to postpone or to prepone this, to make it to clear your body health, this nutraceuticals can be continued to make it normal. So classification on the basis of therapeutic importance, just made some tabular column under compounds, simple examples just to have a discussion under compounds of nutraceutical products responsible for herbal health benefit. You can see in this table, it's not a table, just made a line. And it's antioxidants, example natural antioxidants, and health drinks, cereals, we know, and dietary fibers are available, probiotics, digestive enzyme, prebiotics, helpful bacteria, examples can be written by you, and digestive enzymes, various enzymes can be used, and vitamins, it can be supplements like classified, and inorganic minerals and phytochemicals like you can say polysaccharides separately, arabino, galactans and isoprenoid carotenoids, flavonoids, bioflavonoids, and phenolic compounds, polyphenolic compounds, also fatty acids, omega-3 fatty acids, and lipids, phingolipids, and protein, soya proteins and herbs as a functional food. And what is the research which is now going on, and what is already we have done researches for various safetiness have been done, but still research of role for the development of nutraceuticals, what all the development it can test, safety, purity and the potency of the product to develop more effective and efficient means of producing ingredient for use in products, to develop testing methods for ensuring and verifying the consistency of the dosage of ingredients included in companies' products, develop the new products either by combining existing ingredients using a nutritional supplements or identifying new ingredients. And on the basis of type, the nutraceutical product marketed has been segmented as below: food, snacks, confectionery products, bakery products, dairy products, infant products, health drinks, energy drinks, juices, which comes under this infant products, and dietary supplements also can be tablets, liquids, powders, other soft gel, gummies and chewable products are also available. And these some examples I have taken for just to go through, like it is available in the market, only two I have taken, like 2 or 3, just a picture. That means Nutra, collagen and antioxidants, a product which is available, Nutrava, you can see the picture. What all the ingredients? Collagen peptides from the fish, that is peptides from fish, natural oxidants from tomato, grapes and green tea, vitamin C, vitamin E, taurine, cranberry flavor and fructose are present. What is its use for? It is for healthier skin that glows. It repairs and protects your skin deeper structure with a nutritional drink that contain skin healthy nutrition including collagen peptides and natural antioxidants which is mentioned in the ingredients. Expected results, what all the results? Smoother and firmer skin, hydrated skin that has a natural glow, reduced blemish and marks. And how to use this? Mix a sachet which is shown in the picture, contain the half a glass of water and consume daily. For best result, use daily for 2 months. This is not I am not an advertiser for this product, but just given an example. And you see there are many other products in Nicholas Nutraceuticals, Calcitrex F, calcium citrate, vitamin D3, folic acid supplements, and strong bones. For strong bones, teeth, 60 tablets. It can be taken. Even for females, it are very good. Bones when they become weak, brittle in the teeth, calcium deficiency, you can take this. Very good company, Nicholas. And supraactive, that means supraactive capsules, supplements of amino acid capsules. Lean Nutraceuticals, phytoceramides 350 milligram capsules which is known as that is 5-gluten. This also a nutraceuticals, an example which I have shown. So next class we will discuss about health benefits and the role of nutraceuticals in various ailments. Specifically we can discuss. Thank you for listening. Please try to listen the classes, and sometimes if you have notes, keep the notes with you and just listen to that, and you can see what is the points extra my teacher have told. You can note it down. Sometimes I might have discussed sometimes wrong also. So you can find out the mistakes and you can correct. Even you can inform me to correct myself. I will correct, and also you will get the knowledge and you can improve your knowledge. You can help your community, you can help your family and everybody. Thank you.